This is a survey of a Victorian property, good looking property. There appear to be a few gutter issues. Looking at the front gutters, there's a bit of gutter hanging down. There's another section of gutter that's not quite right. It should be easy to rectify as they are at the top of the ground floor level. Looking at the back, the soil pipe has got evidence of a slight leak, nothing major. There's a bit of greenery where the water from the shower in the front bedroom appears to be coming through. Looking inside on the first floor back bedroom, there's a bit of dampness in the wall, just marginal. It looks like it's been repaired, difficult to tell. There's some mastic there, looks recent. And looking at the gutter, we can see a bit of grey staining around where the water is coming out, so it should be checked during a rainstorm. It may have been fixed. Looking at the vents on the outside, they seem to be in good order, plenty of them. Inside there's some moisture on the internal wall, mainly on the front reception but also the back reception. It's dry on the dividing wall between the corridor and the reception, and the meter reading goes down along the wall, so it's not rising damp. Looking underneath the floorboards, we can see there's a lot of oversight, which is building rubble over the ground, and there is some strange material by the wood. In fear that it might be rot, we took a sample off, but actually it is plaster, and what is happening is the damp-proof course is being bridged. Here's, you can see the damp-proof course. It's slate and it should be visible, but it's being bridged in sections, specifically between the two receptions. During the survey we took a sample of soil just to test to see how damp it was, and in fact it was at normal dampness, nothing to be concerned about. To the back of the kitchen there is some dampness to the back wall. This is caused by plaster touching the solid floor and some water coming in from the outside, possibly caused by the pipe. The front, there's some moisture on the right hand side of the door, and it's not on the wall between the dividing walls, so again it's not rising damp. And looking underneath, everything seems fine. We tested the wall was dry beneath where the humidity was showing. Some of the wood has been replaced, which is an indication that in the past there's been rot, possibly dry rot. It's dry now. Looking at the front door, we can see the reason is curtains, and it's condensation being trapped in by the curtains to the front. Inside, on the other side of the wall, we tested it and it's dry, but while we were looking we saw a few marks left by woodworm. It looks old. Looking in the loft, it looks fine. We tested the wall, that was fine, dry. So overall the property looks good. We really appreciate any help getting our name out there. We put in the extra effort. We go back to properties, we use a lot of different equipment, including video cameras, infrared, CCTV, radio frequency detectors. Please like this and subscribe to the video channel. There are a constant stream of videos coming out, all of which will benefit any homeowner. Thank you.